Hey, it's March 2025. I'm Justin Hartfield, and you're watching Prohibition Planet. What if I told you California managed to take something as simple as selling green and turn it into a bureaucratic nightmare that makes the DMV look efficient? Welcome to the $8 billion lesson in how overregulation created America's biggest black market. Here's what California could have done. One form, $99. Basic health and safety check, done. Instead, they created this masterpiece of bureaucratic art. Want to open a legal shop? Hope you've got a friend of a qualifying minority race and $1 million in cash. And that's before you pay any taxes. The result? Legal market, $4 billion. Illegal market, $8 billion. Math ain't hard, folks. But to really understand how badly California screwed this up, let me tell you about Kat Packer. In 2017, LA picked this brilliant young green policy expert to run their new Department of Green Regulation. Perfect choice, right? Former Drug Policy Alliance activist focused on helping communities hurt by the war on drugs. But they gave her a skeleton crew, no real budget, impossible deadlines, and a rule book thicker than a Game of Thrones novel. The city wanted social equity but placed an insane barrier of entry on all applicants. They wanted strict oversight but wouldn't hire staff or enforcement. They wanted quick licensing but created endless red tape that only licensed 1 out of 100 potential businesses. The path to hell is paved in social equity concrete. It's a good idea in theory, but instead of putting the burden on the city, it unfairly placed the entire blame of racial disparity on the entrepreneurs instead of the cops and institutions that enabled it in the first place. It's one thing to pass an equitable policy, it's another thing entirely for it to be implemented. The results? Existing shops got first dibs, big corporations bought up licenses, small businesses got crushed, and the black market exploded. And Kat Packer became a villain to the thousands of minorities she claimed she was trying to help. Out of 205 social equity applicants in LA, only 38 got licenses. That's worse odds than getting struck by lightning while winning the lottery. Meanwhile, illegal shops are making bank because no 40% tax markup, no tens of thousands of dollars spent applying for permitting, no 500-page applications, and penalties smaller than a parking ticket. But wait, who can potentially still win this dumpster fire of regulation? Multi-state operators, baby! While small businesses are drowning in paperwork, these guys are buying up all the licenses, lobbying for even more regulation, writing laws that only they can afford to follow, and still losing money somehow. Public markets. How do you lose $5 for every dime bag you sell? MSO executive. We'll make up for in volume. Public markets. But then you'll just lose even more money? MSO executive. No, let's just lobby for more raids on small businesses. The result? Cookie-cutter corporate dispensary selling mid-grade green at premium prices while local brands get pushed out, craft growers go extinct, innovation dies, minority businesses are unable to compete, and everyone good goes back to the traditional market. Barf, I hate that term. Corporate eighth, $65. Traditional market eighth, $25. Tilray CEO Irwin Simon's 2023 bonus, approximately $22.3 million. Base salary plus stock awards plus incentives. In fiscal year 2023, Tilray Brands Inc. reported a net loss of approximately $1.4 billion, primarily due to non-cash impairment charges totaling $1.1 billion. Make it make sense. When you make it impossible to go legal, guess what happens? Sprayed hemp flooding the market, labs passing anything for cash, licensed grows selling out back, everyone shipping packs everywhere. The solution? Maybe try what we should have done from the start. Simple licensing, reasonable taxes, actual support for small businesses, basic health and safety standards for employees done. But hey, what do I know? I'm just someone who can do basic math, unlike whoever designed this system. This is Prohibition Planet, reminding you that sometimes the simplest solution is the right one. Stay lifted, stay informed, and stay tuned.